So before getting to our next video, let's just correct a few more things in this last video. So when we come back into our Firestore here we are naming this as chat, but we want to say chats. So as you can see, when we come to our application here on the, let's minimize this, on the chat provider down here, this we named it as chat. So let's just change this. Let's come back here, let's add an S here and an S, and then let's come to chat provider and change this to chats. And then now we can first go back to our Firestore and let's delete this collection. Let's delete the collection. You can just type chat there, then delete. Okay, then let's come back to our code, and then the other thing is let's show the correct stream here. So for that, let's go to AI chat screen where we getting our stream on the chat list. So this is our stream here. We are streaming inside the users, but we need to stream inside the chats and inside the UI, the UID, our UID and the ChatGPT chats. So for that, first let's move this stream from here. Let's put it into our chat provider. So for that, let's go into our chat provider. Then maybe up here, let's create that stream. So we're going to say stream. It's a query snapshot, like that. Let's return an, let's take an object, which will be nullable. And then let's say get chat stream. This will be our method. So this will have a required argument of a string. This will be the UID. And then here, let's now, we can return that stream. Now we can go back to where is our chat list. We can cut this. And inside here we can paste this. So this will be our chat stream, and then Firestore.inst. So here we can call our Firestore, which is this one, and then collection, we know that it's inside the constants dot the chats. And then doc, we know that in the documents we have a UID, then .collection. Here we also going to constants.ChatGPT chats, and then snapshot. So let's just take this down like that, like that. Can take this down as well. So now here we just only need to return our chat stream. So this is the stream, and then inside now the chat list, where is that? Inside the chat list we can just say get, we can say context dot read we have a chat provider. Inside the chat provider we can get our get chat stream, and then for the UID, let's just initialize it here. Final UID will be goes to context dot read authentication provider dot the user model dot UID, this one. and then we are calling it here. So let's run the application again. Okay, now it says chat is empty because it's reading in the correct directory of this. So now if we type our message here, we should see it here. Let's say hello. But before we send it, let's go back to our, is it chat list? Yeah, here, as you can see on the title and the text, we are calling name and phone. So we don't have this inside that directory. We can remove the phone. We can just maybe short title for now, which will be our message. That is what we have in our directory when we send our message here. We only have sender ID, chat ID, message time. So for now, let's just show the message, which is what we are showing inside the chat list here. So even here, we can call constants just to avoid making mistakes. Constants dot message. Let's import the constant class like that. So let's hot restart, start the application again. Okay, the application has started. Let's now type again hello. Let's send it, and there you can see that we have our message. If we can just end this video right now, and in the next video we'll now start implementing our method of sending the message to ChatGPT.